drive this up. Fuckery. What are you doing? Hey, going boys. Just washed the Tundra the first time in like 3 years. I've only owned it a couple of months, but I haven't washed it yet because it's way too big. I had to like full climb on the roof to bloody wash the roof. Anyway, today we are doing exhaust vids. I don't know if you noticed, but the quality is gangster right now. This is our first production spec video thanks to Jordan right here. Thought it about time we upped our game. We've got a 1794 Toyota Tundra 2014 model with the 5.7 V8 motor with the quad cam and all the thong slappy noises, and you'll hear that very soon. But yeah, as you see, she's nice and lifted. It's got 6-inch lift, engineered for that. It's a bit hard to get that sort of engineering in Oz or Vic at the moment because they're all about dogging the Rangers, the Ford Rangers that everyone has, or the City Boy Rangers. This is pretty much a bigger version of one of them. And we've got the 37-inch wheels, sorry, tyres, 20-inch rams. I've actually got on order some 18s because I'm all about that more balloon spec tyre, more sidewall and whatnot for the bush. Probably never go bush, but maybe one day, we'll see. I went through the mud the other day on the side of the road. That was pretty cool. Anyway, let's go over what we've got underneath the car. Exhaust, like what exhaust we got. Let's do it. Oh yeah. All right, so this part was already. Oh, I think I just broke my glasses. This part here was already on the car, so it's got stock headers right there. Oh, let's spin around this way. Oh shit! I did break it. Oh yeah. There goes the fucking Thailand Ray-Bans. So, starting off, stock headers. That's probably half the reason it sounds like ass. And then we come straight into 3-inch. So I think this section was already here. It's got the Highflow cats, both sides. I think it was mild steel, but it could be stainless, I forget. And then it pretty much comes around, joins into the X-pipe. These things are where it's at. The X-pipe, they just give a much smoother note for most V8s. I know for my old LS1 drift car, I didn't have one of them, and that was the thong slapping master. Until I put one of them, it was like 1,000 times better. So that's a necessity. Even the H-pipe ones, I don't know what you call them, they do an alright job, but these X-style ones are like the best, the bee's knees. So from here is where we did it in the shop. So we've gone 3-inch mild steel, straight back into twin 3-inch hot dogs, and then it collects into a 4-inch boy to over the diff. Let's go around the back and finish her off, son. Anyway, I think we're gonna get told off. Leave me alone, Shazza. Bloody Karens these days. Anyway, so up the back here, I don't mind those train horns right there. They were always there, and they're definitely legal. So we've got the 4-inch, as I was saying, mild steel. So I think mild steel for these, especially with that thong slappy noise, and for like tinny sound of V8, it gets rid of it a little bit. We've got a big sort of like Canon looking thing, so you've got to add a little bit of JDM-ness to the car. Nah, it's just pretty much a big 4-inch hot dog to try and muffle it a little bit more because she is pretty loud. And then we just bent it, tucked it in nice in the little groove there, a 90-degree bend, and then out with a 45-inch, 4-inch drop pipe right in the corner there, just tucked neatly up there to finish her off. She sounds absolutely delicious, mate. Oh no, what have we done here? I've only got like 10 pairs left of these. They're gonna last me till next Thailand trip. Oh, she'll do. Got a solution here. Hey!
Hey!
That's better. Like that. What's that guy? Red Poo? Poo? Whatever his name is? Blue Poo? Something like that. Yeah, let's start her up. I want to hear this thing. I want to hear it. I hear it every day. Such a good limiter. I think that's the first time I smacked a limit and it did not disappoint. Alright, now you've heard the limmy. Let's do some road testing, shall we? Someone in their car right there. I was going to launch the gutter. Might still do it anyway.
Ow.
There you have it. Ugh. There you have it. That's what quad cam 5.7 Toyota V8 sounds like in the Toyota Tundra. That's what my take of a exhaust review video is. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like this quality Reetness, and if you want to be a Gary and join the crew, sign up. And that's about it. Thanks boys, see you next time. It'll look weird because the background will be totally different. Oh, yeah. Reload. There she is. Pair number 5. Good to go.